Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Tesla stock, and not just Tesla stock. We do have Tesla's RoboTaxi today. The launch has happened, and you may have come across many videos online that people have been recording live streams on how the RoboTaxi is performing. So far, I'm amazed to see, well, it's going so far really well and fine, not as if I had any doubts, but well, finally the day is here and this should eventually, as what all the analysts, or at least I should say the bullish analysts that have been saying, that this robotaxi would add in a lot of financial backing or will expand the sphere and the market and the services that Tesla offers in the market share. So definitely, this finally concludes, or I should say, the start of the conclusion has come into fruition from today itself, as for all those bullish analysts, that this will expand Tesla's market value by trillions of dollars. Now, I'm not going to say that it's going to expand by trillions of dollars, but this is definitely an entry into a new sphere of the new market. It is an existing market, but for Tesla, it's a new market, and they are finally stepping on the gas on this one. So let's take a look at the price action as for what we will be expecting tomorrow, because we still have to work with the price action. All right, news is great, these launches are great, but we'll still have to work with the price action. So let's jump right into it. Once I also let you know, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Now, definitely, just before jumping into the price action, I just want to quickly take you over the summary of robotaxi launch. And Musk says robotaxi, well, this is already launched. So let me get you the another article. It just talks more about it as in the past, but here you go. Tesla launches its highly anticipated robotaxi service in Austin, Texas on Sunday. Early users are getting a deal. Elon Musk says they will pay a flat fee of $4.20 for a ride. The launch is a big deal. A trillion of dollars are at stake, along with Tesla's reputation as a leader in artificial intelligence technology. All that great stuff. This is what we have Tesla coming into the game. It only, well, the successful one was Waymo only earlier, and however, now we also have Tesla coming. So it's all great stuff. All right. Let's jump into the technicals, because, you know, let's not expect anything upfront on the price action as if for the stock price, oh, it's going to go to the moon tomorrow. No, there's no guarantee of that even after these launches. Yes, everything backs up on, well, it's a new market entry. It allows Tesla to expand what just Tesla does and all that great stuff, but we'll still have to rely on the price action. Now, I'm on the daily interval here. Tesla still rejected that $333 area, 333 to $331 area. So no, with that blue box, right? So only above that, and out of that, I mentioned that we will open up the range. Now, if I didn't mention on my public video, definitely I mentioned it on my Patreon for the members. Now, Tesla, however, still rejected over there, and that's why I have been saying from last many videos on Tesla that trade Tesla only intraday and multi-day. This was the intraday bullish strength that we got, and this is where also I mentioned that this zone of 333 to 331 is the area for you for this intraday multi-day. The next leg will open up above that. Otherwise, take more profits here, and once we lost the structure, which was losing this significant level marked by my tools all automatically for you. If you need access to my tools, details are in the description of this video. This is where you gotta size down more in your multi-day trade, or even get out of the position because structure is breaking. And also, if you have access to the tools, there is another tool of mine, Easy Day and Swing Trading Tool, that will tell you everything what to do. This is where, as I said, that was a near-term play, uptrend as it were building. This was a cool-off play, uptrend, cool-off. My tools tells you everything. Right now, we're in the cool-off, intraday, multi-day, right? So, as I said, if you need access to my tools, check out the details in the description of this video. Now, yes, as you can see, we are again cooling off intraday, multi-day. right? So that's why I said near term only trade just for a day or so. That's why I said multi-day. Swing for me, it's like a little bit longer term. But so Tesla is as where we are. We are not still in the swing play. All right. However, intraday multi-day. Now swing both on the long or the short side. I would still say avoid both sides on the swing side. Trade it only intraday multi-day. There is still a rebound possibility on Tesla as long as we can hold above 321. Yes, we are a little bit in the weakness still, but if Tesla can still hold 321 area, it has a room to rebound at least, and then above 326 and 59 cents, it can again open up for the strengthful upside, at least intraday multi-day. If we lose 321 area, there is no point in even looking at long on the intraday, right? And unless we regain that again. Otherwise, no, we're gonna continue lower, thus we will remain in the weakness. Now, where do I expect Tesla to open up for the longer term direction, both on the downside or the upside? As I said, yes, all RoboTaxi stuff is great, but we'll still have to work with the price action. So where is the range really going to open up? As I said, $331 to $333 area at this zone. We need to break out above this. Then only we will open up the range again. All right. So that's when the longer term plays can be played. And if you're looking for a longer term to the downside plays, we'll have to lose 330. And Tesla hasn't lost that yet. But these are the two zones where we will open out of this range on either direction. And until then, as I just said, on the lower time frames, just trade it intraday or multi-day, not more than that. Well, that's all I had for you guys in this video. Again, if you need access to my tools, check out the details in the description of this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.